See who shows up. I'll do a little bit more today. Where did I leave off? This one? I was supposed to tutor. But then I didn't. And I'm like, let's just go live. Who's going to show up? Some of my students? Maybe. I think I left off making this move, right? Yeah. So I will copy the code. Make a new one. Well, my game. Wait, why don't we just copy this? Fork. How we do it? Fill bars on dial. Probably step 7 at this point. All right. Let's see if people want me to open up Zoom, I will too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this thing. I think it's step 7. I want these bars to fill up when this dial makes it over to the right spot. And then this is where I kind of gave up. Oh, this is where I got frustrated because I was like, I'm running out of time. So the idea is that when these dials make it over here, so instead of saying fill the bar here, like this fills up and then you click. And that button to click is a little too big, but I'm trying to use it with the turtle to be able to use on click instead of drawing that whole bar. So we'll see what happens. Okay, so I wanted to call fill the bar here. If the heading was between those two, I said, whatever, let's just do it right there. Then it says fill the bar. Got it. Okay, for each down the list, it does that. Fill bar here. All right. So, how do I fill the bar? I'm going to have to redraw that bar. I wish when I did this... Oh. Maybe I should make each of these a different turtle for each bar. That might be easier. Bars. Yellow. I'm going to do that. I made it one turtle. One of those cases where then I'm going to have to do bars blue. I think in the future, when you program, it's better to just create more turtles for each thing instead of having one turtle try to do everything. That's what I'm learning here. Life lesson. The title. Finishing making the dial. So, yeah. That's probably just a better practice. So we'll call this one cyan, bars cyan. And maybe there's a better way to do this with a loop instead of what I'm doing right now too. Probably even better way so I don't have all these lines of code that are basically duplicated, but lesson learned. Could have thought about that earlier. Okay, so what I like is that, let's see what this actually does now that I've done that. It might have broke something else, so I want to make sure. It didn't. Yep. Breaks. Okay, so it doesn't hide the turtle anymore because I had a hide turtle. Doesn't hide. Probably want that. Also should hide yellow. I know it's going to be in the top corner right there. And I probably want that pen up. Why is it doing this move? What does that move? Oh, when I create those. So I want to do the pen up for a turtle. So I go bars, blue, dot pen up. I got to do the same thing over here. Bars, cyan, dot pin down. Because they're going from the center. Oh, wait, pen up. Come on. Pen up. All right. That should do it. Now that I got all this, I'm going to draw on this. So whenever it reaches here, I want, for each one of those, I want to do something. Maybe it would have been better to have a list of them. Okay. We're going to go. So what I wanted to happen when it fills the bar, I want to say, hey, oh, this is the check right here. So this is going to check if it should fill the bar. When I call this, it should fill that bar. And okay. So I almost want fill bar to bring the parameter of like which bar to fill. Okay. Actually, I just want it to bring D, the turtle. And then whichever dial it is. That's the variable. So let me say, can I do it this way? If I don't know if this works. So D is the turtle, right? D dot. Can you like get color? Let's open this up. Thank you, Chris. Hey, so my plan is I'm going to go live every day from 2:15 to 3:15. Today was late. And we're doing computer science or calculus, whatever I feel like. I'm going to figure this out. I figure I'm just going to go live and keep working on my project. This is taking longer than I thought, but whatever. Okay, so I want to do 111. Oops. 110 list of Python commands. And so I've done this in a weird way, but I'm going to be able to know which turtle is which by trying to like get the pen color. So there's got to be a way to like figure out what the pen color is. Get color. Oh, maybe you can't. That's how I was going to define it. Which one's which? Oh, maybe you can't. So I don't know which one it is. There's a way to get things. Get the shape of the polygon? What does that do? Get turtle. Get the pen. Oh, wait. Oh, so that gets the actual turtle object. Yeah, that's not what I want. So, get of a shape of a poly. Current shape polygon is turtle of coordinate pairs. That's really weird. I don't want to figure that one out. Well, okay, maybe actually. With the turtle objects, turtle has attributes. Let's see if we can see the attributes of it. Or let's go Python turtle get color. If I say just I don't want methods, I want attributes. Attributes. Can I just pull up the attributes? A turtle? Let's find out. If d dot Python, okay, so we go Python turtle attributes. Maybe it lists those. Oh. Turtle, turtles list? Oh, the shapes of turtle. Oh. I don't know if you can. Okay, let's see if it works. Well, maybe I just see if it got color equals gold. Is gold. Let's see if that works. I don't even know if that's going to work. I doubt it. Oh, maybe it doesn't. Maybe that works. Maybe this works. I doubt it. I think it's just not giving me. I wonder if you can just pull the color. I'm not trying to set the color. I'm trying to like get the color. What if you did blue? Wait up. Print d.color. Let's see if you can just do that. This would be cool if this works. Nope. Maybe color also returns the color. Parameters, pen. Turtle pen. Fill color. What am I trying to do? I should be able to like get the attributes of the turtle somehow. Okay. Python turtle. How do I get the attributes? Anyways. Return or return. Return or turtle.pen. Oh, turtle.pen color. Oh, that might do it. I need to do this though. I think I need to do the parentheses. That's not going to work. Oh, now I got to play the waiting game. Wait till they get up there. If that works, then I'm set. I don't think that's going to work. Okay, I needed the thingies. I think this is going to work now. The parentheses. Okay. We wait again. Yeah, it worked. Okay. But I don't want the pen color. Actually, I want to write that in. Okay. Write that in. Doing pen color. No args. Returns the pen color. I'm gonna put that sidebar there. Okay. All right. So I know how to return the pen color. That's great. But that's not even what I wanted. I want to know pen color is. Oops. I need that one. That returns. It returned gray. Why is that gray? Dial list. Wait a minute. Dial list. Add to dial list right there. See in dial colors. Okay, it should be append. It should be adding that. Okay, so that does it. Well, why does that return the pen color? It's gray. I want the turtle color. Oh, the turtle color. What if you just do color? Would I do it correctly? Like this. Let me see the old color. This isn't the correct way of doing it. Like, I want to ID the different... Oh, I got to think of a different way of doing this. This is not the best way. Gray, gray. So it does. It's the fill color in that. I want to know this color that it... The whole point is to know which of these dials it is. There's another way of doing this, but... Oh, well. I'm too deep. So what I'm going to do is... And it's spelled gray as G-R-A-Y. Weird. So what I can do is... This filled the bars. And where do I draw the dials? And this is where I draw the dials. And I set them as gray. Okay. Okay, and... Fine. Dial.fill color. Okay, I'm going to make this just... The first is the same as the pen color. Yeah, that's what I'll do. And that way, now, I'll use that to identify the dials. Mm-hmm. Oh. Still annoying. Now I just make this C. And then make this gray. I'm just gonna make it work this way. And it's okay if it outlines it. Actually, that probably looks fine. No one would even know. And so when I do this, I think if I said print D dot pen color. Okay, so I don't want to deal with a tuple, but I think this pen color now will be the color of the dial. And then so I don't have to deal with a tuple. That's the list type thing where it was giving me the two colors as a list. The pen color and fill color. It's confusing that there's color and pen color. One is like color of the turtle. I guess it's not that confusing. Yep. Okay. So I got what I want. So now this thing works out, right? If D dot pen color is, what's the top one? Gold. It is gold. I'm going to print. I'm just going to leave all that in as all the print statements as debugging right now. And if it's gold, then what I want it to do is we're going to fill the bar. Then we're going to fill the gold bar. So which bar is it going to fill? So we've got bars.yellow. And it ends right in that corner, right? So I'm going to do actually... How does this run again? I go back to my code and I go, what did I do? Oh, the whole black bar thing when it filled. I wanted to do this whole thing. The whole thing. It's actually just going to fill that in gold. Oh. There we go. It is gold and filled with gold bar. So we actually do this. And then we're going to go bars yellow dot fill color will be gold. And then it's going to fill. Whenever it says to fill the bar, it's okay. I can do this. And I think that should just work. So when it reaches, what should happen is when just the gold dial, when this thing reaches here, it should fill. It won't unfill. That's okay. That's how it should. I know I have a better way of doing this then. They want to unfill later. Didn't. Oh, I did this wrong. Put those in. Parentheses. What I should do. I don't know. There's other ways. Like I should just draw it and then I can clear it when it passes it. That might be better. Okay, so it should fill. There we go. This is going super slow right now. But then when it goes past it, I want it to go back. So okay. Elif. Do you think that it keeps rotating? This is going to get higher or it's going to go back to... Is it going to do a co-terminal angle or is this going to be... You do have to do a mod 360. I bet I have to mod 360 it. Oh. Elif. Okay. Dot heading is greater than 95. I want it to delete the bar. I want it to clear that thing. Oh. I don't want to clear the whole turtle. Okay, so I'm gonna have to define new variables. Keep doing this. Okay. When I make the bars, is bars yellow on false. So we're gonna create a variable. And I'm going to put it right here because I hate myself. I'm going to forget what these are. Now I'm going to say yellow, blue, and cyan. Okay, they all start off. And so I'm going to go back to, so it only does it once. Yeah, okay. Oh, perfect. It's Gar. And then we're going to do those variables up here that are, oh. Of course we're going to deal with globals, right? So why not? Global is bars blue on, is bars cyan on. Mm-hmm. That's true. We set that to true. Else, if no. Oh, this is gonna. I'm getting this. This is gonna get way more complicated right now. Oh. Okay. We're just gonna make it very much simpler bar. 86 and 94. Okay. Then we're going to empty bar D. Have to define empty bar D. I'm not even going to use the is whatever. Oh no, because this one. So we're going to have to. I think it's just going to be the same code. D dot and color equals blue. You're going to do all this. Blue. Elif. We can basically just do the same thing. I don't know. And okay. Got it. Now the empty bar idea. Going to be like this. I don't even care about that anymore. Now empty bar fill will be black. Okay, there we go. Should work. Oh. What? Oh, it's not doing the... Yeah. Be doing... Blue bar should be doing this. And these bars, cyan, should be doing this. There we go. Now it'll work. Just speed those turtles up. I don't know if I can. Oh, you do. Yeah, you can. Ah, look at that. Just do that rotate a little better. There we go. A little faster, please. Oh. Okay. Why do I have that twice? I don't know. Oh, because I want it to keep running that for some reason. Yeah, so I can make that go way faster. Okay, cool. Now they're all moving. Well enough. I don't like this is off. So the next step would be to... It seems like they're really slow. I wonder if I do that, I can make it faster. Next step's going to be to make one rotate at a time. A little faster. I think that's about the limit, though. Okay. My only choice would be to make the rotations more degrees. Maybe you do that. Maybe I just make it more degrees. Too slow. Yeah. I mean, it's always going to be that lag right there, too. Close enough. So the next step will be everything is not rotating. So I'm going to do that next time. Next time will be so they don't all rotate. I think that's where I'm going to have some variable I was trying to do up here. So I'm going to delete that. So, and I'll go, why did I have these? So a true false. So it keeps your state of things. I think we're going to have to do that next time. For now, we will end the stream because I did this.